Timeless beauty resembles a magical skin elixir, an enchanted potion meant to unleash the youth that resides deep within every cell. As we enter the realm of timeless beauty, we are greeted by an alluring promise, the opportunity to achieve skin that not only glows, but glows with health and vitality, evoking the iconic features of the models that grace the pages of renowned fashion magazines. Let us, for a moment, visualize our skin as a delicate tapestry, a fabric that tells the story of our experiences and journeys. Similar to a masterpiece that demands care and preservation, our skin cries out for a gentle and effective approach to maintaining its timeless beauty. Timeless beauty takes on the role of a skilled curator, working behind the scenes to weave a narrative of vitality and freshness. In this tale of enchantment, it is crucial to understand the alchemy behind the product. Timeless beauty is not just an elixir, it is a harmonious symphony of hand-picked ingredients, each playing a vital role in the search for lost youth. Like a gifted maestro, this product coordinates a variety of elements, from powerful antioxidants to deep moisturizing agents, to create a composition that resonates with skin's desires for renewal and vitality. Let's now imagine the skin as a lush garden, where each wrinkle represents a withered flower and each stain, an unwanted shadow. Timeless beauty acts like a master gardener, cultivating this delicate land to ensure only the most vibrant flora flourishes. The antioxidants present in this formula act like rays of sunshine, driving away free radicals like dark clouds, allowing the skin to flourish in all its splendor. As we explore the benefits of this elixir, it is as if we are sailing uncharted seas in search of the legendary fountain of youth. Timeless beauty is our ship, sailing the waters of age, defying the tides of time. The deep hydration offered by this product is like a gentle breeze, keeping the sails of our journey steady and flexible, ready to face any storm that aging may bring. Let us now consider high-fashion magazine models, whose immaculate faces adorn the pages with a beauty that transcends the decades. Timeless beauty aims to capture that same glow, turning each application into a ritual that echoes the meticulous preparation before a photo shoot. Just as a skilled photographer highlights perfect contours, this elixir enhances intrinsic beauty, casting a soft light on the skin to reveal its natural radiance. Applying timeless beauty is like creating a masterpiece, one brushstroke at a time. As the product gently absorbs into the skin, it's as if we're witnessing magic happening before our eyes. Each nutrient is a palette of colors, masterfully painting over imperfections, leaving behind an immaculate canvas of restored youth. However, just like a fairy tale, the journey to timeless beauty is not without its challenges. Time, like a subtle villain, continues its relentless advance. However, timeless beauty is not just a tale of a single application, but rather an ongoing saga. It is a commitment to authenticity, an alliance with the skin's own essence. Product link in comments.